Hey everyone, I'm Tawny and this is Wayne and this is Life Outside Boundaries.
Welcome back to our channel. If you're new to our channel, we do a lot of travel videos, vlogs, and tips and tricks about full-time camping. Come join us along our journey across the United States of America. We're out here in the Bonneville Salt Flats today. We came out at 5 a.m. for the sunrise and it was a very pretty one. We probably drove about 5 or 6 miles out. We saw on the maps there looked like to be some turquoise water. We wanted to see that, but right now we're in the middle of a drought and the water wasn't there. Our tires did find a little bit of water if we dug down a couple inches. Almost got stuck. So
if you're driving out here, be cautious. Try to follow other tire marks. We should have been a little bit more cautious because we did see some dug up ground near us. But we got out of it okay. So just be careful. Try to stay away from like the barrier. You'll see a certain barrier. That's kind of where the lake stands. So stay away from that. Overall, a good experience though, and definitely worth driving out here because you get away from some of those big tire marks and people doing donuts all over the place, so it makes it much more serene and beautiful. And we would definitely recommend coming for sunrise because it was absolutely phenomenal. The colors of the sun on the white salt was just incredible. But beyond just that, it's hot in Utah and it's June right now and we had a high of about 105 yesterday. So getting here in the morning, the weather is literally perfect. Like, this is absolutely beautiful. So
yeah, kind of reminds me of Siesta Key Beach, all the white sand out here, except there's no water and a lot of mountains.
As mentioned earlier, the turquoise blue aqueducts that run in canals through the Bonneville Salt Flats were dried up when we visited in June. You can see the carved out canal where they normally would be running toward the mountains here.
Depending on the time of year that you visit, the salt flats may look different. When we came, they were extremely dried up, leaving the large cracked salt flake look. But at different times of the year, when Utah is getting more rain, they can get a thin layer of water on them, causing them to reflect like a mirror and give the illusion when you walk on them that you are walking on water. There are other areas that fill up with water and form lakes of salt water. We found a very small amount of remnants left of these areas while we were here, and we hope to come back to the flats again at a different time of the year to experience the other conditions at some point.
Seeing and experiencing this salt desert when we did was still more incredible than we ever could have imagined it, just from seeing other people's pictures and videos. This place was truly mind-blowing, and it almost felt like we were in a dreamland while we were walking around and looking out at the vast horizon. Thanks so much for watching our video today. We hope that it inspired you to get out there and travel some. One of our main goals is to inspire some other people to get out and live their life outside of boundaries. Find things that aren't in your everyday life and live the way you want to.
Experience all life has to offer.